How to delete Meta AI conversation history. If you want to remove your previous conversations from Meta AI, this video will show you how to delete your conversation history. First, open the Meta AI website and sign into your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Data and Privacy. Click on Manage Your Information. Here, you'll see your saved conversations and chat history. Select the conversation you want to delete, or choose the option to delete all conversations if it's available. Confirm your choice to permanently remove your conversation history. Once completed, your selected Meta AI conversations will be deleted from your account. That's how you can delete Meta AI conversation history. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.